Hey guys, what's up? MTT here. Amazon's Great Indian Festival and Flipkart's Big Billion Days are here. In this video, we are going to cover the offers and deals provided by Flipkart and Amazon for mobiles, mobile accessories, and other electronic appliances in their respective sales. Watch it till the end and subscribe the channel if you have loved the video. Every year, Flipkart and Amazon at the last quarter they will announce their biggest sales of the year, that is Flipkart's Big Billion Days and Amazon's Great Indian Festival. In this Corona year also they have announced the sale. In that case, Flipkart provides the 10% instant discount on SBI credit and debit cards and EMIs, and they also includes Paytm cashback. In Flipkart, the sale starts from 16th October and will last till 21st October. So go for it. In the Amazon, it provides a 10% instant discount on HDFC credit and debit cards and EMIs. In that, sale starts from 17th October for normal users, and as usual, Prime members will get early access on 16th October itself, that is 24 hours before. So in that case, let's first discuss the offers provided by Flipkart in Flipkart page. Here we go. The Big Billion Days is here. It's from 16th to 21st October, and we have offers on SBI credit and debit cards and 10% instant discount and Paytm assured cashback. Flipkart Plus members will get early access on 15th October 12 pm itself. So you can have some pre-books from 11th October to 14th October. You can book with ₹1 and pay the remaining balance on 16th October. Fashion Capital has offers, beauty toys and baby care has offers. Electronics and accessories we can book for ₹1 and we can pay later, like mobile cases and gaming accessories and headphones and speakers, etc. Home essentials and furnitures we have offers, home appliances. So these are the EMI options. No cost EMI on leading banks like SBI, ICICI, HDFC and more, and no cost EMI on Bajaj Finserv. Debit card EMI is also available. Like I said, SBI and Paytm has offers. Instant refunds is also available. Then let's go to the main part here, mobiles and tablets. Top deals from Realme Narzo. Realme Narzo 20 Pro is available at 14,999, almost 2,000 offer. Realme Narzo 20 is also available for 10,499. 48 MP triple cam and 6000 mAh battery. Then we have Big Bang reveals. Realme C11 is available for 6499 rupees. If you have a tight budget, you can go for this. And we have offers for Realme 6, Realme 7, Realme 7 Pro also. 1000 rupees offer for Realme 7 Pro. These are the Realme mobiles that we have offers. Poco M2 is now available for 10,500. It's very good phone. I bought it for my cousin. Then we have Poco C3 for 7,499. And we have the Samsung Galaxy F41. We can get it at 10,850 by using the smart upgrade plan. In my previous video I have explained the smart upgrade plan. For example, if your phone's cost is 19,999, Flipkart smart upgrade offers 30% offer. That is, you can, if total pay is 15,499, you have to pay only 10,860. That is, you have after 1 year of usage, you can either pay the rest of the amount and keep the phone, or you can exchange for a new Samsung device. That's the smart upgrade plan. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is available for 49,999. With smart upgrade plan, you have to just pay 35,198. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is available for 55,000. It's also eligible for smart upgrade plan. Oppo A52 is just 12,990. And we have, these are the Oppo mobiles that comes from the range of 5,000 to 20,000, and we have Oppo Reno 4 for 34,990. The specialty is 65 watt super VOC charging, quick charging. And Vivo, we have offers for Vivo mobiles also. Check this out also. Infinix Hot 10 is available for 9,999, 6GB and 128GB ROM. We have other offers for Infinix Note and Hot models. Moto, we have offers in Motorola mobiles also. Moto E7 Plus is available for 9,000. Moto Edge Plus is available for 65,000. Its actual price is 89,999. We have a huge slashing of price over here. Moto One Fusion Plus is available for 16,000. And we have ultra premium flip design model Motorola Razr 5G foldable phone. Its price is 1,24,999. And we have lots of other brands like TechnoSpark, Techno Camon. Go for it. We have some upcoming sales from LG G8X from 19,990 and iQOO 3 at 30,000. Google Pixel 4a from 30,000. Motorola Razr. These are all the upcoming and prices. And Vivo V20 is going to get launched on 13th October. Next, we have electronics and accessories, and the offers is up to 80% off. We have laptops, premium tablets, headphones and speakers, trimmers also. Let's go out and check. We have offers on gaming laptops, headphones and speakers. These headphones and speakers will come under the Big Billion Days offers, I think so. So go for it. Cameras, DSLRs and the Insta camera is also available in offers. And we have power banks offer starting from $799. It's very good. So these are the some offers in electronics and other appliances. We have now TV and appliances up to 75% off. Higher refrigerators start just 12,190. 4-star refrigerator, it's LG 10 inverter AC, it's from 31,000. Crompton 25 liter geyser is available for 5,699. Likewise, we have other TV offers. We have washing machine offers and kitchen appliances, and we have home appliances offers like UPS also you can get, and refrigerators, air conditioners, etc. And we have offers in beauty, food, toys, baby care and more. You can check this out. And we have offers in home essentials, kitchen and dining, home decor range and home furnishings, tools and utility. You can check this out also. We have offers in furnitures also. 50 to 80% off offer we have. Coffee tables, wardrobes, sofas, beds and office chairs and bean bags are also on sale. Check this out. We have 80% offers on Flipkart brands like TV, iron box and refrigerators, top home appliances, Flipkart electronics and home essential furniture. Check this out also. And we have offers on Supercoin usages also. Check this out. So these are the some crazy offers provided by Flipkart. Next we can see the offers in Amazon's Great Indian Festival. It starts at 17th October. We have a 10% instant discount on HDFC Bank debits and credit cards and EMI. Sale starts 24 hours early for Prime members. It's as usual. Amazon Pay daily shopping rewards up to 500. You can unlock it here. Celebrate early with small business. You can buy it today itself and get 10% cash back on this home and kitchen, clothing and accessories, food and gourmet and electronics and accessories up to 70% off. We have some of the new launches like frost free side by side refrigerator. It will be coming soon in Amazon Basics. Stay tuned. blasters for precision battling. OnePlus 8T 5G launch event on 14th October. Wait for it. And here comes the main part, mobiles and accessories. Change offer, no cost EMI, total damage protection, great prices. Okay, we have latest launch, Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime Edition, starting at 16,499. Oppo A15, it's coming soon. And we have Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, Realme Buds Wireless 2099, OnePlus 8T launch event on 14th October. Samsung Galaxy M51 is at 22,499. So these are the new launches. Today some deals are revealed for Redmi phones. Redmi Note 9 Pro will be available for 13,000, first time price drop. And Redmi Note 9 at 10,099. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max at 16,000. Mi 10 is available for 45,000. Great. Redmi Note 8 at 11,500. If you want mid-range phone, low budget phones, you can go for this Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 8. These are very good phones. So more Redmi budget phones will be revealed, and first time ever iPhone 11 price is slashed heavily in Amazon. It's coming to 49,999. Hope so. It will be around 45,999 or 49,999. Stay tuned for the reveal. And Samsung Galaxy M51 we will get it at 22,499 to 12 months of no cost EMI. So the main thing is battery, 7000 mAh battery. And we have other Samsung Galaxy M31s and M31, M21 and M1 core. This is the lowest Samsung phone, touchscreen phone actually. We will get it at 4,999. It's a very good phone. If you have a tight, very and low budget, you can go for this. And we have some Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, some premium flagship models like Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, we will get it at 38,000. Samsung Galaxy S10 at 38,000. Fan edition phones, S20 fan edition phones is available now. We will get it at 49,999. And Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, we will get it at 44,999. OnePlus 8 5G faces the first time drop now. These are the prices. We'll look at it. OnePlus Nord 5G is at the same price. OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus 7T Pro, we are getting it at 44,000. These are the OnePlus models. And we have some Oppo phones and Vivo mobiles. Nokia and Samsung Galaxy S10 will be available for 40,000. Great phone. It's a great phone. Punch hole model. Then we have some low budget Vivo phones starting from 7,990, and we have Vivo Y30. These are some good phones over here. Vivo X50 we are getting it at 35,000. Vivo X50 Pro at 49,990. It's a good phone. And we have some Oppo model, Oppo F17. It's a good phone, 17,990. Oppo F17 Pro, Oppo Reno4 Pro, we are getting it at 34,990. Oppo Find X2, it's a good phone, 64,990. And we have offers in headsets, cables and chargers and screen protectors also. Check it out. We have up to 60% offers on refurbished phones. We can get OnePlus 7 and 7T phones, refurbished phones with the low prices. Go for it. We have offers in electronics and accessories. Lenovo IdealPad Slim 3. We are going to get it at I don't know the price. Price will be revealed soon. Every day 6 p.m. they are revealing some offers. So these are some deals. We are going to expect the slashing in prices very soon. Blockbuster deals to explore. We will get the top brand headphones offers in laptops, some camera, and we will get in printers, sound bars, woofers also. You can get the offers. So go and check it out in Amazon website. We have offers in home and kitchen products up to 80% off. Check this out. We have offers up to 75% off on TVs and appliances. OnePlus Android TV 32-inch price is going to get slashed. I think around 5,000 or 4,000 will be reduced. Hope so. And Samsung washing machine, LG Smart TV price will be slashed. Hope so. Let's wait for the deals. Go and check out this page every day at 6 p.m. And we have offers in daily essentials. Amazon Fashion also we have offers. We have offers in Fire TV sticks, Kindle and Echo smart speakers. Flat 65% on Echo Dot. You will get it at 2,299. Sorry, good. Echo Dot 2,249. And Fire TV stick we will get around minimum 40% off. Fire TV stick Lite you will get it in 2000 range. Kindle e-reader you will get it at 6,499. These are the some Amazon devices you will get offers. You can check this in this page. We have offers in books, toys, gaming and more. We are getting slashing in prices for Sony PlayStation 4. So these are the offers in Amazon. Let's check the website every day at 6 p.m. for more offers and deals. That's it. Many people are waiting for Amazon's Great Indian Festival and Flipkart's Big Billion Days in order to buy the new appliances. Even though they are selling out the older stocks, it's worth it because they are providing huge offers and deals, heavy slashing in appliances. So it will be a great opportunity to buy the new appliances for your home, or you exchange your old phone with new ones, etc. So grab this opportunity and buy the new appliances, electronic appliances. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. MDT signing off. Take care.